Hi guys, Chris here again. So what are we looking at today? We're looking at a Pascal's triangle. I hope you know the famous Pascal's triangle. All right, so if you don't know, I'll just give a brief introduction. So you can see it starts from 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, like that. So it continues. 5 plus 6 is 21, 6 plus 1 is 7. So it forms a triangle. But this is not what I'm looking at, okay? I want to derive some type of sequences from this triangle. All right, so when we look at diagonals like this, we see, so if I look at this diagonal, so I see a linear sequence. So that's a linear sequence, and that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is like counting numbers. So n, it continues like that. So that is a linear sequence. Can you find another type of sequence here? Yes, we can find another type. When you look at this, so this is a 1. So if I take this, so 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. What do you think is the nth term for this sequence? Let me give you an idea. All right, so the difference is 2. Difference here is 3. Difference here is 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, sorry, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is a quadratic sequence actually, or people call it a triangle sequence. And what is the formula for this sequence? It is actually, we can derive it, okay, but we have n plus 1 times n over 2. Let's check. So this is my first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. C divided by 2 is 3. So you can keep doing it like that. You will get this sequence. All right. So we've found out 2 sequences from here. Now let's see the third sequence. So I have done this. Now what about this? So 1, let's say we have 1, 4, 10, 20, 35. Okay, all right, this is actually what we call a cubic sequence, or people call it tetrahedral sequence. Nth term for this is n plus 1, n plus 2 divided by 6. This is the nth term for this sequence. You can verify and see if this sequence is actually correct. So you can see this Pascal's triangle, we can get a lot of sequence from it. Okay, we can even, let's see, we can get even numbers. I want you to find how we can even get even numbers from this sequence. All right guys, take care of yourself and bye.